Back at it again, folks, right here at Brooks Landscape, another outdoor landscape transformation. I want to help you understand what's about to take place on this landscape as you begin to understand the way in which this customer has been receiving a tremendous amount of erosion that had been happening on their landscape just from the water that was able to fall to the path of least resistance, not only from this particular area that you see here, but also being that from this area that you see over here where we see a lot of moss and we see a lot of erosion, and that's just based on the way that this landscape has shaped itself out. Now, what we're going to be doing is something spectacular that's going to allow for a beautiful decorative dry creek bed that's going to be able to appropriate that water to the back of the landscape. But we're also going to come up with a design that allows for us to put in a plant package as well as our beautiful decorative gravel that ensures that we never have to worry about water moving on this landscape again and or any grass being something that we have to deal with. Now, these are just some of the ways in which we become one of the highest rated landscaping companies around, and it's the reason why we become one of the highest rated landscaping companies in the area, because we're focused on giving our customers more quality, more quantity of service than that of what could have ever been expected right here at Brooks Landscaping, where we make dirt look good like you never thought we could. Thank you so much, guys, for taking a look at this amazing landscape transformation. Stay tuned so that you can see for yourself exactly what we do.